Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm still using my new air fryer here that I got y'all to kind of buy. I was in Buc-ee's the other day, and I saw they had a chicken. I've seen these in Buc-ee's in the meat market. They have it in H-E-B. Also, this is a whole chicken, already deboned. Only bone they have on it is the kind of the legs right here. But this one's stuffed with chicken and sausage jambalaya. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off, take this out of here and rinse the solution off really good. I'm gonna season it up with my salt and pepper, my Cabernet, and then the sweet and spicier shake. And we're gonna lay it on the rack in there and 350 degrees. It's gonna take about, I'm gonna do 45 minutes on this thing. It might take an hour to do it, but it shouldn't take no more than an hour. I'm gonna do it on the breast side down for the first maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna flip it and do the rest of the cooking method up to 100 and till it get to 165 degrees. You know, chicken is 165 degrees. You need to cook chicken up too. So I'm gonna step off, get this out of the bag, get it washed off, get it seasoned, and I'll be back when it's time to put it in the air fryer. Be right back. All right, y'all, we back here, and let me get my air fryer set here. We're gonna air fry this thing. 350 degrees. We're gonna do 1 hour on this thing, y'all. I'm gonna put 45 minutes and I'll check it after that. And I'm gonna put it on the rack. Y'all see I'm doing, almost grab that hot thing. I'm gonna put it on the rack here. I'm gonna put the breast side down for the first maybe 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip it over for the rest of the cooking method, y'all. Slide it right in there. It's on here, 45 minutes. And there we go. So we'll be back here in 45 minutes and we'll see how it is. Like I told y'all, I season it on both sides, salt, pepper, Cabernet. Use whatever seasoning you want. That's what I use. And we're gonna see how it come out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Y'all see this thermometer? It say 167, meaning it need to be 165. So this chicken is ready, and it's 6 minutes ready, 6 minutes ahead of time. So it's about a little 40, maybe 41 minutes, 38 minutes. Let me show y'all what I did. I always stick the thermometer into the deepest part of the thigh, and that'll give you a correct reading of your chicken. So I'm gonna take that out of there, let it rest here. I'm gonna step off here. And another thing, if y'all get a thermometer, get you one of these, invest in one of these. These cost about 25 bucks. I got mine at Bed Bath & Beyond. And you actually can stick this in here, close the oven, and cook the product with it. I do my turkeys like this on Thanksgiving, stuff like that. And then I do it on the barbecue pit, and this wire will not melt. Yeah, you can stick the whole thing in there, close the oven up with this in it, and it won't melt. And you can always look at the temperature as it's going up, and you'll know when your product is ready. So that's a little thing if y'all want to get one of these thermometers. I get mine at Bed Bath & Beyond, but everybody has it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off, take the chicken out. I'm going to let it rest. I like to let my chicken rest like 10 or 15 minutes. Let the juices go back in it, because if I cut the chicken right now, right when I take it out of the oven, the juices don't go everywhere. You want to let it rest. Cover it with foil, put it on the platter, let it rest, and then cut it, and you'll have a juicier chicken. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I let the chicken here set here and rest about 15 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this on the cutting board, y'all. Get this out the way. We're gonna, this chicken is deboned like I was telling y'all. The only bone is in here, I think, is in the breast. So what we're gonna do is I can cut it across like that. You can see how perfectly cooked this is, y'all. See that? Perfectly cooked. We're gonna go this way. Look at that, y'all. Perfectly cooked. You see how juicy that is? And like I say, y'all, it's stuffed with the jambalaya. And we're gonna get a fork here. And I don't think I need a knife for this. I do, I got a knife right here. I'm gonna try this out, y'all. You can see how juicy the breast is. Guess there ain't no easy way to eat this, y'all. Like I told y'all, it's stuffed with the jambalaya, and it's shrimp and sausage. It says shrimp and sausage jambalaya. And the pink you see, y'all, with the shrimp in there. It's not the chicken. Very good. I'm gonna try the chicken itself on the back here. Y'all, chicken leg, perfectly cooked, juicy. 42 minutes. 42 minutes in the air fryer, y'all. Like I said, I took the breast side down in the beginning, about 15 minutes. And then I turned it over and did the other side. So, very simple, very easy in the air fryer. And this was stuffed. If it wasn't stuffed, it probably would have took 35 minutes. But it had stuffing in it, so it took longer to cook. So anyway, y'all, that's another recipe for the air fryer. If you like this recipe, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022? Helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.